In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from TD Bank. First of all, you have to locate a TD Bank ATM. Use the TD Bank locator tool on the website, which is very easily. You have to just go to Google. Let me show you. And here you have to just type TD Bank, and you will be redirected here. And just go here, and basically you can just find this store, right? So let me show you. Just go back and just find a store. Just click on it and you will be redirected all the location store which is available near your location will be shown here. You have to again give your access of your location into this. Right now here you have to insert your debit card, insert your TD Bank debit card into the ATM card slot. Use the keypad to enter your PIN, and on the ATM screen select withdrawal or cash withdrawal. If prompted, select the account from which you want to withdraw money, whether it's checking or saving account. Enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw using the keypad. Verify the withdrawal amount and confirm the transaction. Take the dispensed cash from the ATM. Choose whether you want a receipt and collect if you do. Right, so this is how you can just complete a transaction. Follow the prompt to complete the transaction. Remove your debit card from the ATM and ensure you have the cash receipt and debit card before leaving the ATM. So it's very easy thing to do. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.